Hi there. Again, I have had some people ask me for some help on how to create a homepage, and I had some people ask for videos, so I'm just going to create one for those that would like one. I'll create a couple actually. So I want to start first by when you get into Canvas, you have to log in using your AD login. When you log in, you should have a training that you're automatically enrolled in. And this training goes through a whole bunch of modules that kind of walk you through the basics of Canvas. It's good stuff, but it does take quite a while to go through. I know a lot of teachers are feeling overwhelmed and kind of stressed out right now, knowing that they're going to be using a whole new platform. But I think if we kind of work through this together, it'll be good. Full disclosure, I am not an expert on Canvas at all. A lot of what I've learned, I looked up on YouTube or looked up on Google. So this is something that works for me, but it may not work for everybody, and I think that's okay. So go ahead and starting on your dashboard. You have the courses that you're enrolled in and the courses that are published, and then you have your unpublished courses. When you get on, you are automatically given a workroom. I was told that this workroom is just kind of a place that you can play around in. You don't necessarily have to publish it. And then these are the workrooms that I created. So in order to create your workroom, you can go use this button here or click all courses. And my picture is going to pop up, but it slows the computer down a bit, so I'm going to turn it off. So here's the courses I am enrolled in. This one pops up because I have it starred. I don't want it on if I don't want it on my homepage, I just have to unclick the star. And then these are the courses I'm currently working in. I have a course for each class. So I have a 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And my homepage for each of them is the same. So I will show you how to do that also. So we're going to go ahead and go right into my workroom for 3rd grade. And again, my picture will show up, but I'm going to exit out of it. Now, all of these pictures, everything in here is not text at all. I created pictures using canva.com, and I will show you that also in a second video. I just want to show you how to set a page as your home page and kind of how to make a page. So this will start on your home page. You can edit your home page right here, or you can click to pages and edit it there. Here is where you want to choose the home page. You can also look at it as a student. So if I go to choose home page, I have it selected from pages, but you can make any of these your home page if you want to. I know a lot of people are wanting to kind of see fancier pages, and I kind of wanted a place where kids can go, just go click on things. So that's why I went from pages. So I will show you. I'll go to my pages. And these are the only pages I have right now. I'm obviously going to create more. If I want to create a page, I just click a new page. And I know that, I am going to have one for class resources. This is probably where I'm going to put their word walls and stuff like that. So I'm just going to save it just so I can show you how to create a page. And there's nothing there. So I'm going to go back to all of my pages. You can see that this one has an X or a cross through it because it is not published. These are checked because they are published. Now, if I want to use this page as my front page, I have to have it published before I can use it. And once I have selected use as front page, it has a little thing on here that says front page. And then that's where I can go back to my home. And this is where I choose my front page. This is where I choose it, just like I did. Oh, science homepage. Yep. I can also change it if I have a different page selected, but I only want to use that as my homepage. So hopefully that is clear. So let's get into creating the homepage. Again, everything on here, I do not have any text on here. If I want to, I can add text in here. Oh, I have to edit it first. Sorry. Edit. If I click edit, it's going to take me to this. My kids are watching a movie, so they're really funny. So I can add text here if I want to. I just don't have any text in here because I think it's nice to kind of see just pictures and links for kids, for places to click on. This box is actually really small. You can expand it here if you want to, however, whatever works for you. Again, I created all of these pictures using Canva, and I will show you that in the second video. So first things first, let's say that I made a banner just like this. Let's say I want to upload it. So I'm going to upload image, and I can get it from my computer. And I already uploaded, I'm not going to, but I have my header. What is really nice is if I have already uploaded it, I have course images, and it's already stuck in a file. So everything that I've used is here. So I'll show you how to create these in just a minute too. One thing that I discovered on my own that is really important is if I want to make these pictures so that they're clickable links, I cannot just add the pictures. I have to actually add it in a table. So in order to do that, up here, you're going to create a table. And I'm just going to do a small table. I knew that I had 6 buttons and I wanted them next to each other. So I did a 3x2, but I'm just going to create a small table just as an example. So here's a second table. I'm going to upload some pictures that I've already used just to show you. Let's do this one. And we'll do one more that I know I'm going to need, that I had to link to. This one here. Okay, so once these images are in, you can click on image options and you can customize the size if you want to. This is actually pretty large. You can make them larger or smaller. It's up to you. If you want to center it, you can kind of align the text a little different. But you have to have it in this table in order to add links. Now, if I wanted to add a link, you're going to click on the picture you want to add it to, and you're going to click link. You can do external link or course link. So this is going to be an external link, and I believe, so if I wanted to do an external link, click done, and then that link has been added. Now, let's say I want this to link to something that's already in my Canvas. I'm going to make sure I click on the picture, course link, and I want this to link to my Meet the Teacher page. Done, and it's linked. Now, I can also link this. Oops. Let's say that I don't think I've done this, so I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to link this to where my modules are. I think it's important to have a place where kids can find the modules. Now I have to go down to course navigation and click modules, and that'll link it right there. Once I save it, you can see the new links I added. And if I click on them, it should take me to what I linked it to. So hopefully this helps with how to kind of create links and stuff on your home page. I'm going to go ahead and make a video now on canva.com and how I made some of the things in my homepage.